Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see the next topic from the first unit, that is basic relationships between pixels. So these are the topics, that is neighborhood, adjacency, connectivity, paths, regions, boundaries. These are the topics we are going to discuss in this session. So these are some of the concepts relating each pixels. So before entering the topic, we need to have a small introduction about pixels. What is pixel? And what is the relation between each pixels? So saying about pixel, it is the picture element providing information related to the image, and it is the fundamental element in the image. Pixels arranged in rows and columns create a image. So to relate the connectivity between the relationship between one pixel and another pixels, to analyze, to assess the picture information, we need to know about the relationship. So to analyze the pixel, here we are taking the conventional indexing method. Here we are taking a text image pixel, that is x comma y, and naming the nearest neighbors with corresponding to that, that is x minus 1, y minus 1, like that we are given names associated with this, that is spatial location names. So I think now we can start analyzing the pixels. Going to see the relationship between one pixel and another pixel. So in this, first we can see the neighborhood. So the neighbor of a pixel, saying about neighbor of x pixel, we can classify it into one is 4 neighbors and another one is 8 neighbors. 4 neighbors and another one is 8 neighbors. First we can see 4 neighbors. So in 4 neighbors, there are two classifications, that is horizontal and vertical neighbors, and another one is diagonal neighbors. So based on the nearest pixel, how it is located, it is classified, and another classification, that is 8 neighbors. So before going to that, we can see the first horizontal and vertical neighbors. So saying about horizontal and vertical neighbors, these are the nearest neighbors which is of unit distance, and it is arranged in horizontal and vertical. Saying about horizontal and vertical neighbors, there are 2 horizontal neighbors and 2 vertical neighbors. This form the 4 basic neighbors of a test pixel. So next we are going to see about diagonal pixels. So diagonal neighbors, saying about diagonal neighbors, these are arranged near to the pixel in diagonally. These pixels are located diagonally. And next we can see about 8 neighbors, saying about eight neighbors, it is a combination of both four diagonal neighbors, that is horizontal and vertical neighbors as well as diagonal neighbors. This surrounds the pixel. These are the neighbors surrounding the pixels. So I think now we got an idea what is neighbors. That is, what are the pixels nearest to that and surrounding the pixels. Test pixel. We will call it as neighbors. So next we can see what is adjacency. So in neighbors, if the neighbors have some similarity with the test pixel, then we can call it as an adjacent pixel. That should have some similarity. If it has some similarity in its intensity or gray level value, then we can say the pixel is adjacent to our test pixel. So based on that, we are having three classifications, that is 4 adjacency, 8 adjacency and mixed adjacency. That is whether the adjacent pixel is associated with 4 neighbors or 8 neighbors or mixed neighbors. So I think now we got on what is adjacency. Next we can see connectivity. So that is, in adjacency, the nearest neighbor is having some similarity with our test pixel. So we had some connectivity, that is, we have some relationship with the nearest pixel. So in that sense, we are saying that is, it is interconnected with our test pixel. Since they have some common sense of relationship. So based on that, we are having 4 connected, 8 connected, M connected, that is mixed connected. That is based on what type of neighboring it is associated. So next we want to see about in this path. So the pixels are connected with some similarity, with some relationship. How they are connected, on what path they have connected. So based on that, we have using this term. So this represents how the pixels is connected and what is the length of the path, how many pixels have been connected. So these things will be represented by this path. Next, saying about region in relationship of pixels. Next, the important topic is regions. So what is region? The test pixel having some relation with, that is relation with neighbors, that is adjacent pixel. This form a group or this form a set called as region. So the pixels are present in the region will have some similarity. They have some relationship, and the surrounding neighbors which are differ from text pixel, we will call it as boundary or border or contour. So I think now we have got an idea what is boundary, what is region, what is path, what is connectivity, what is adjacency, and what is neighborhood. So for further reference, you can prefer textbook, and if you have any doubts, you can contact my WhatsApp number 9710260926. So thank you. We can see in the next session.